Pack king is done. Unpack 3 So next step is you need to activate manually. How? Just click on parsers again, go down and click on activate. Okay, it will activating automatically. Okay, see, activation is starting. Active, 2 done. Done. Okay, it's activated successfully. See, activated, yes, yes, activated, yes, yes, no error. Okay, now click on Cloudera Manager. Again, you have to check. Okay, it's activated successfully. Streamset is activated now. So what we'll do is not it won't listing on ad services. So we need to restart our Cloudera server. So we'll restart using, first we'll stop and start. It's the best way. Don't restart. Okay, so it will take time to come up. Okay, we'll check it's coming or not. Okay, add service. Okay, now it's listing. If it's not working or not listing here, so what you need to do, try to restart Cloudera Manager using CLI. Okay, so it will come up. So now what we'll do, we'll add, click on add service. If you have any issue, any uh, or if you got any error or this service is not listing here, so just comment me, so I'll help you out. Okay, now click on add service, Streamset listed here, click on Streamset, continue, select your I will put into slave 1. Okay, it will create. Okay, then Streamset will start. Okay guys, now you can see Streamset is started successfully. Then we'll click on continue. See, congratulations, it's configured successfully. Now you can access Streamset from Cloudera. The Streamset is listed in Cloudera, you can see. Click links, commands, instances. See, everything you can see here. So if you want to access this Streamset, so using IP you can access it. Okay.